So what we're going to do today is we're going to work super basic. So super basic is being in front of the Jong and knowing the distance between your opponent and you. And remember, we're working a Jong. So this is teaching us skills and giving us body posture and transitional movement. When you're fighting, it's something different, right? Somebody shadow boxing is teaching footwork, teaching body posture, learning how to shift, learning how to move your body. And you're seeing and you're watching yourself in the mirror. This is a way of Chinese martial arts find their way of doing some shadow boxing. All right, so as we're going through this, we're teaching our body posture. I'm never going to fight somebody in this position. It's not going to happen. Okay, so when we're doing this, we're learning our skills of shifting our weight. So if I'm here and I block and I come in and I hit somebody, I'm hitting somebody using the hip, and I'm doing the same thing that I would be doing, except that now I'm just kind of working my transition and I'm knowing distance. I see my opponent. I know if I stand here, I can hit my opponent, which means I've done this so many times that I know distance. So this is teaching us distance as well. So starting in horse stance, we're going to start with our hammer down and come straight into a cannon fist. This is what we call tong. Tong, T-O-N-G, which means through. Tong. That's why this hand goes back. We're twisting our hip to get full extension, and the energy goes in and goes through. Now from here, we hammer and turn and strike straight out. Hammer, turn. You're going to turn this heel and come straight out. Hammer, turn. And as you turn, straight out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, all the way out. Okay? That's going to be the first set that we're working on, is we want to work on the hammer and turning the body to get that power torque. Hammer, turning the body to get that power torque. As we hammer, we want to get used to punching here, and then from here, being able to block. So if we were in tight, and I went 1 here, and I want to block the hand, I'm going to go 1, 2 here, and then come in to strike my opponent. But I got to be able to work that 1, 2, and then strike up top. So that's what we want to do. We want to learn how to punch here and be able to block quickly. Important thing. So guys, thank you very much. Please check out the Patreon, which should be over here. Please check out our all of our links, which will be over here, and definitely check out the links below in the description. It'll send you right to my my link tree, and you guys will get everything that we have to offer. So thanks again for everything, guys. We'll see you next week.